Hello, sister. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Mizoram.
Okay, so, what's your name?
My name is Zoe.
Okay, beautiful. Here the question is, will you break up your boyfriend for 1 crore?
1 crore? Yes, definitely.
Women.
Okay. Okay.
Easy question.
Oh. Are you single or taken?
Oh, currently I am single.
Wow. You must be having eggs, right?
Eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, like, what advice do you want to give to your ex?
Stay loyal.
Okay, stay loyal. How much salary do you expect from your future husband?
I think since I'm currently a student, so I don't really expect much high salary.
From your future husband?
Oh, 1 lakh per month. At least. 1 lakh per month at least.
Wow, that's great. Anyway, nice talking to you.